A company has recently been hiring new employees. Today, the company has 27% more employees than it did 1 year ago. If there are currently 38,100 employees, how many employees did the company have a year ago? And so we can use a proportion to solve this type of problem. And the way, of course, we would set this up is to begin with 100 at the bottom of one of the ratios, considering this is a percent problem. All right, so now what I want you to notice is that if we're talking about 27 more employees today, okay, then we can reflect today's employees. That's 38,100. All right, these are basically talking about the same people, right? The 27% more is reflected in that 38,100. All right, and so we can reflect that number in 127% of what it used to be. Okay, and so therefore we can use the question mark or a variable there. Let's just use a variable this time for the heck of it, right? And so now last year represents 100%, and this year is 127%, 38,000. Of course, now we multiply diagonally, and so when we multiply 38,100 times 100, that's going to give us, that's going to be 4 zeros, right? And so that's going to be 38,810,000. And of course, now we divide that number by the remaining value of the 127. All right, so let's punch that in. Got to make sure you punch in the right amount of zeros there. So when I put this in my calculator, it comes out to 30,000. So last year, the company had 30,000 employees.